When you're in a developing country where the average education standard is still around about grade 6, people tend not to know any better. They can't compare what we do to what others are doing and to the rest of the world. Like you might be able in France where you have TV, radio, newspaper, and you can get comparisons. So it's very easy to influence a voter in a third world country. So we try to promote education to minimize and hopefully eradicate corruption.
Voilà 5 ans que Jan Ling Stucky avait quitté l'arène politique et il s'en languissait. Cette élection était une occasion longuement attendue de récupérer le siège de gouverneur qu'estimait-il on lui avait volé.
Yes, Mr. Full-time long Limos Island. Tasol me no lose ting ting Loyupla. 148 trucks come up today. 148. Close to 5,000 man Mary. Me like declare now, campaign Mercedes, EOP today. Thank you, Tomas.
I have invited various groups to visit Limos Island and to reconnect with my people, just to make them aware of some of the current national and provincial issues.
Pourquoi faire campagne dans les villages quand Jan Stucky avait les moyens de faire venir les villages à lui? Ce jour-là, c'était la fête des mères et Jan recevait sur Limous, son île privative, les femmes de 12 villages du centre de la province. Comme d'habitude, un de ses militants commençait par expliquer à ses invités le fonctionnement du vote.
Ballot paper. So you must give him also code number belonging Stucky 11. Two blab di white asol, you know hat. Two blab di white asol. You must work him good. Long style long original sheet. You must put him number 11 inside straight long this box also. Look him. One. Long box number 1 on top straight there.
Puis Jan s'engageait avec son audience pour une journée de sensibilisation millimétrée.
Kick off. Afternoon, everyone. Yes, long time. Agree, everyone? Long time. I think 5 years. You may to play or sit down, talk, kai, or grizzly league. I think first time I played on Mama, you hold a microphone. So today you hold a microphone. You must hold him close to the mouse below you. Now swing him go and tap all sen. Look him. That's all. No can kai ma.
Il leur expliquait tout d'abord ce qu'il avait fait pendant ces 5 années d'absence.
You may come up in house Limos since government is senis. House Limos, it cost him 5.2 million kina. Okay, finish long up. You may start him house Kivong. Contract was 2.2 million kina. We put him some new sound system. So 2+ speakers long right side, 2+ left side. Or bass speakers, so this I call him subwoofer. Now you may start him on a new hotel. Limos Lodge. It's a 24-room hotel. Contract price 4.5 million kina. Not today me na clearing. Amas money me spend in Long Island because me sorry. Some candidate around now no you only talk in kakay money. I mean no like yung one mama igat doubt. Because the money way no come up all developments long Limos Island. All kata developments come up lo company lo me yet Mon Ian Limited.
Puis il faisait l'appel.
1, 2.
Pendant 1 heure.
34, 35.
Jan Stucky n'avait pas été un gouverneur comme les autres. Il avait initié des politiques sociales plus que novatrices, dont certains habitants gardaient un souvenir ému.
All kita mo nem kain liklik SSP yumi all mamay sabi kisim alimim longen. I war blami play pin put down.
You know, the World Bank says an impact project is making and developing a seal road. I'd argue quite strongly in New Ireland that giving a lamp to a family in the village that has no lighting from 6 to 6 in the morning, giving a mother in the village a little saucepan, I would argue that that has the same impact as a road, if not more.
What it done for me, I never shall forget, for he said.
Change the political landscape. I've, to be frank, been a breath of fresh air that has come into New Ireland province. I've tried to think outside of the box.
Mais tout cela n'avait pas suffi à la réélection de Ian, qui s'était fait battre par Julius Chan, son ancien mentor. Une fois à la tête de la province, celui-ci avait fourré son nez dans la gouvernance de son prédécesseur.
Tama ni kami sa government, oli to all by pulling all kind of projects like Ian Ling. Tingin mo sa doktor? Yes, he created tribal conflict. Oli kami sa oli to Ian Ling kay money. Me sorry true la are all this la all doktor. Oli to Ian Ling kay amas 45 million kina. Wow, big la money. Yes.
Stuckey entendait donc bien profiter de sa campagne pour redorer son blason.
Because today in a tabling report where it gives clear evidence we were cheated in the last election. Time me plakisim report, me kirap no good. Me expecting number balabangay by a winning even Kevin town. Me expecting by about 12,000 votes, but instead, labangay recording 3,800 votes. So the 2007 election, only still him close to the 9,500 votes out long old box block lavangay. Okay, that is our New Hanawa stronghold by Ian Ling. Mr. Kiss him close to 80% of the vote. If we win finish long, number one tasol. Supposedly no still him all votes.
En fin de journée, Ian sondait à bulletin secret les intentions de vote de son audience. Puis, clou du spectacle, il concluait par une promesse des plus efficaces.
As soon as you win by me every year, automatically cutting 50,000, you got one word. You too hard, lo put in Ian Ling, lo chair, you usah, you too hard, lo forming this government, you by bossing government, not money, lo you yet.
Les représentants de chaque circonscription étaient invités à déterminer comment devaient être distribuées les sommes promises. Ian Stuckey estimait ainsi convaincre 90% de son audience lors de ses meetings et, comme il comptait faire venir quelques 60% des habitants de la province, sa victoire, espérait-il, était assurée.
Ask the first villager you meet, have you received anything from the local, provincial or national government? He'll say to you no. But I can guarantee you, many of them will say, well, we did receive something when Ling Stuckey was in government, even if it was a little land, even though it was a little saucepan. Suppose you marking you the governor, by you me holding again, projects no hand for me plan. That's what suppose you marking wrong governor, all get a planning, all get a projects, by e, lose game.
Thank you. Questions and comments now?
Thank you. Questions and comments. Hear me put him now on the floor. So thank you all, ma'am. So come on.